Hi guys, my name is Anubhav Bhargav and we are going to see this topic India's stand on Israel Palestine issue. This topic is relevant for GS paper 2 and currently in news because of ongoing conflict between Israel and Palestine. So, in 1915, India recognized Israel as a country, but it also became first non-Arab country to recognize Palestine Liberation Organization as the sole representative of Palestinians. It recognized in 1988 Palestine as state. Most of the major countries which are very friendly to India, like France, US, Japan, Australia, uh, Israel, are not do not recognize Palestine as a country, but India did it in 1988. There is a shift in India's policy toward Israel and Palestine after 2014, in which India is more tilted toward Israel. So we can see this from following events. In 2014, India favored UNHRC resolution to probe Israel's human rights violations in Gaza. Despite supporting the probe, India abstained from voting against Israel in UNHRC in 2015. As a part of the Link West policy, India has dehyphenated its relationship with Israel and Palestine in 2018 to treat both the countries mutually independent and exclusive. In 2019 June, India voted in favor of a decision introduced by Israel in United Nations Economic and Social Council that objected to granting consultative status to the Palestinian non-governmental organization. So far, India has tried to maintain the image of its historical moral supporter for Palestinian self-determination and at the same time to engage in the military, economic and other strategic relations with Israel. In context of the recent conflict, India's permanent member at United Nations has issued a statement which is very measured and balanced, and do not favor any country against other. So the statement says that India is condemning the attack launched from Gaza to Israel, and India also want the status quo to be maintained. India know that Israel is going to annex lots of territories of Gaza. That's why it is saying that a status quo should be maintained. And India is condemning the rocket launch from Gaza because one of the citizens of India also killed in that rocket launch attack. Uh, we are hoping that this conflict will end soon. Thank you so much.